Let's get acquainted with Goose, and we're doing this in under 4 minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to download Goose Desktop, choose your provider, enable an extension, and even build a cool little game to put it to the test. If you're new to Goose, it's an open source AI agent that automates tasks for you. The best part, it runs locally on your machine, you bring your own LLM, and you can connect Goose to any MCP server, extending its capabilities. Now, the clock's ticking. Let's get started. We're going to follow the Quick Start guide, and as you can see, Goose is available in both CLI and desktop. Goose Desktop at the moment is only available to Mac users, and that's what we'll use today. When you click to download, a zip file will be downloaded, we'll expand it, and then we'll be in the application. That's where we'll be greeted with the Providers menu. This is where you decide what LLM you want to connect to Goose. I'm choosing Anthropic. You would enter your API key. Since I've done this, I'll click cancel and you click submit. These are the models that I have available. I prefer Claude 3.5, so that's what we'll use today. And I want us to focus on these extensions. In Goose, extensions are MCP servers, and these are the ones that are built in. There's developer, computer controller, memory, JetBrains, and tutorial. Let's toggle on the tutorial extension and see what we can do. In the UI where we communicate with Goose, at the top, you'll see example prompts. Let's click on the what can you do? I love this one because it'll tell us Goose's core capabilities outside of extensions, as well as list the available active extensions that we have. And it'll even let us know what we can do with those extensions. So the tutorial extension, we can actually use that extension to learn how to make an extension. Crazy. The developer extension has some cool things as well, but I also love how it gives you ideas on what you can do, but we know why we're here. So let's shimmy over back to the guide. And again, this is the providers menu, and I want to call out with LLMs, they do cost money. And the good thing is Google Gemini offers a free tier that you can get started with today. Another thing I want to call out is that LLMs tend to have rate limits that they hit, and there's this amazing handling rate limits guide that you can check out later. With Goose, as I said, it has the ability to extend its capabilities through MCP servers, and with that requires a lot of heavy tool calling. So we recommend Anthropic's, Claude, or OpenAI models because they tend to have the best success with heavy tool calling. Now, let's give Goose a prompt. We want Goose to create a tic-tac-toe game. Let's copy this and paste it in Goose. What we're asking Goose is create an interactive browser-based tic-tac-toe game in JavaScript where a player competes against a bot. What Goose is doing, it's calling different tools that are available within the developer extension. And I couldn't even finish speaking, and Goose is already done. Amazing. So we're X, the bot is O. Can we win this? We're going to put our X in the right. Tie. I hate ties. And because of that, we need to do this again. Let's run this back, restart the game. All right, we're putting our X in the middle. Very strategic of us. Put an X. Oh, we got this. It's too quick. In the future, when we tell Goose to create this game, we're going to tell him to favor us because we want to win. And if you want to get started, visit block.github.io/Goose. And I hope this was helpful. See you next time. Bye.